KPS ट्रेड्स चैनल्स में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रिव्यू आवर परफॉर्मेंस फॉर द नवंबर मंथ फॉर स्विंग ट्रेड्स। तो जितने भी हमने स्विंग ट्रेड्स इस महीने करे हैं उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रही, क्या हुआ, कौन से चार्ट्स, कौन से स्टॉक्स, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। Before we move on, if you guys are first time onto this channel, request you to please subscribe KPS Trades YouTube channel and join us on Telegram, and do not forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. आप YouTube चैनल जो है KPS Trades का सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए सो आने वाली कोई भी वीडियो आप मिस ना करें। और साथ ही हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें, उस पर हम डेली रेगुलर अपडेट करते हैं। So let's move on to what we have traded and how we have done it. ऐसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं इस महीने यूएस इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट्स थे, तो उसकी वजह से पीपल वर ट्रेडिंग ऑन द लेसर साइड। सो हमने भी कैपिटल बचाने के लिए वी हैव टेकन लेसर रिस्क। सो हार्डली हमने 10 ट्रेड किए महीने में, उसमें से भी 2 ट्रेड पुराने कैरी फॉरवर्ड थे अगर आप देखें, और बाकी के 8 ट्रेड जो हमने लिए हैं उसमें से 2 ट्रेड हमने लास्ट वर्किंग डे ही लिए। तो प्रैक्टिकली इस महीने हमने सिर्फ 6 फ्रेश ट्रेड लिए और 2 ट्रेड जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड चल रहे थे हमारे। तो अगर आप देखेंगे इस महीने वी हैव बुक्ड अराउंड 12% रिटर्न। तो उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस रही, सारे के सारे जो हमारे स्टॉक्स थे उन्होंने अपना टारगेट हिट किया और सारे के सारे स्टॉक्स ने हमें अच्छा पोटेंशियल डिलीवर किया। हमारी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस में अगर आप देखेंगे फोर्स मोटर्स जो लॉन्ग साइडवेज रेंज में था वो हो गया, और बजाज कंज्यूमर उसने हमें अच्छा 16% रिटर्न दिया। MGL और यूनिकेम ने हमें 16 और 12% रिटर्न दिया। अगर आप देखेंगे यूनिकेम स्टॉक हमने 2 बार ही ट्रेड किया, वो हमारा अक्टूबर का कैरी फॉरवर्ड भी था, हमने उसको भी ट्रेड किया और फिर दोबारा हमने 23 नवंबर को ट्रेड किया। तो कई बार क्या होता है, स्टॉक मोमेंटम में होता है, आपको दोबारा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो हम दोबारा ट्रेड करते हैं। सो वी लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर ट्रेडिंग अगेन। चलिए लेट्स गो टू द चार्ट्स एंड रिव्यू द चार्ट्स दैट हाउ दिस हैज़ बीन shaped up. So we'll start with our force motor trade, which was a carry forward trade from a long pending. फोर्स मोटर का अगर आप ट्रेड देखेंगे तो वो रेंज बाउंड में था 1082 से लेके 1040 तक। तो हमें इसमें पूरी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली खरीदने के लिए। वी गट ऑल द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू बाय बिकॉज द चार्ट वाज ऑन अ साइडवेज, एंड व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग इट ब्रेक दिस resistance which it took it before of 1085, and then it immediately moved to 1180, and then retracement, and then it moved further. You see, और बहुत ही अच्छा 17% रिटर्न, हमारे सारे टारगेट इसमें अचीव हुए। अगर आप देखेंगे तो 1205 1265 का हमारा टारगेट था, तो 1214 का हाई लगा। ऑल्दो हम पहले 1174 पे एग्जिट कर गए थे। अगर आप देखेंगे वी हैड एग्जिटेड दिस ट्रेड एट दिस लेवल, राइट, क्योंकि मार्केट वॉलेटाइल थी, तो हमने यहाँ पर इस कैंडल पे ट्रेड एग्जिट किया। उसके बाद वो दोबारा 1100 के पास आया एंड देन इट वेंट अगेन। तो इट वाज अ रियली नाइस ट्रेड, वी बुक्ड अराउंड 12% रिटर्न ऑन दैट। Now let's move on to MGL। बहुत ही शानदार मूव दिया। We have bought MGL around 856 to 860. If you see, this was the place where we have taken the trade, and it went sideways for a while. See this? This was the range where we took. It was sideways for a while, and then it gave a good move, and we exited around 955. Then it traced back, and then it has a gap up, and it went till 1068. तो चार्ट को बहुत ही अच्छे लेवल पे देखा हमने, एंड वी एंटर टू द ट्रेड एंड इट गिव अस वन ऑफ द गुड रिटर्न्स। सिमिलरली बजाज कंज्यूमर का स्टॉक, इफ यू सी दिस स्टॉक ऑल्सो वी हैव traded around 178 to 180, around 17th November we have traded, So this was close to here. This is the range where we traded this stock. 17th November. This is 17th November candle. So if you see this, this was the box where we traded. So the low that day was 179, right? And high was 180 to 183. So it consolidated. It went till 188, retraced it back, and then it went 192, retraced it back, and then sudden boom. So 208.6. We exited around 206, as 206.86 was high on 25th. So we booked really a decent gain on this. This was another stock which was consolidating. Actually, this has given a very big breakout above 200. If you see, this is giving breakout above 20 February. See, this was high breaking out of 17th Feb. So it has given a closing above 17th Feb. So we are confident that it can rally further. So we will wait for re-entry on this chart, which gives us further move. But as we have kept our benchmark, whenever a stock is giving us 7 to 10% return, we book our profits. Market can be volatile, so we don't take risks. We had booked a decent profit, around 16% on this stock, which is way below our expectations. Next stock was Bajaj Auto. So if you see, Bajaj Auto give us around 8% return. See this stock, we got entered around 3000, 3040. See this 3000, 3025 on 19th. So if you see on this somewhere here, 18th and 19th candles. So this was the level 3010, 3010. So we entered accordingly here. It went and then it kept moving up and it hit high of 3249. So approximately 239 points in a span of few days from 19th till 25th. Now there was another chart which I wanted to show you. Persistent System. This was really a good stock which we traded. It didn't move the same day, but next day itself it was moved and it touched our all targets. You see this sudden move spike. We bought this stock, if you see on this date, around 23rd, between 1120 to 1135 was the range. So if you see, the 23rd low in the morning was 1122. So we bought at the lowest level, and high that day itself was 1160, and then gradually it built up, and the third day morning it touched high of 1248. So we booked at the highest peak and we exited with 11% profit on this. Now let's moving on to interesting stock of Unichem, which I wanted to discuss. That if stock is in a trend, right, it keep giving us move, it keep giving us profit. We just need to track. If you see this stock we bought here first time, then in October, and we exited at the peak. Then it went back again down. We waited for it to give me a good move, and then if you see this, we bought it again, this stock, on 23rd of November. So somewhere here we waited for it, and this was the low, 237 to 242, and the same next day itself on 25th it touched 263.8, and then we got it exit on 26th at 263. So stock was in momentum. We booked this rally, then it came down, went up, then again gave us entry. We took entry here, and then it went up. So we rided all the moves on the stock, and on the basis of this, if you see, as I always said, we did not have more than 5 to 6 positions open. If you see on this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 positions, 7 8 positions was open, and then we suddenly booked one, and then same day we booked 4 positions more. which really helped us to book our profits. So on an small investment, we able to generate 12% monthly return. So consistently, we are able to generate between 7 to 10% monthly returns since August, which is a very good performance. And this has really helped us, our channel, to grow. So we like you to share our channel to more and more people, so that more and more people can take advantage of this and take benefit of this, so that it helps each one of them to make good money on that. So thank you for today. Before we move on, we have already started Learn and Earn series. Soon I'm gonna give very good patterns on candlestick on that. And there is one more thing which we started in November, where we have booked a very good profit. We started trading Nifty intraday with our resistance and support levels. So soon I'm going to share that performance, that how the first month has gone, and few charts we will discuss, that what was the resistance and how it touched the resistance and moved down, how this help our people to trade, and how we have traded for our clients and ourselves to make money on that. So thank you very much. Thanks for today. And if you're first time to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and also join us on our Telegram at KPS Trades, so that you do not miss any new information and any updates. Thank you. Really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Bye bye.